Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by exposing the outer ring of the cam snap. Pry gently at the visible flange with a small flathead or thin chisel. You want the ring to lift just enough to reveal the folded metal tabs beneath. Do not tear the fabric. Once done, slide a thin cloth under the area to protect the backside of the garment and keep the piece of fabric taut. Make sure to pause and reassess before levering further so you avoid bending the surrounding material. Now you unfold the metal tabs that lock the cap into the fabric. Grip one tab with needle nose pliers and bend outward away from the fabric edge. You continue around the snap, making small controlled bends so the cap gradually loosens instead of tearing the weave. Once multiple tabs are bent out, the cap lifts free. If resistance remains, repry the flange a hair and repeat. This staged approach reduces fabric distortion and keeps holes usable for a replacement snap. Finish by pulling out the post and washer remnants through the hole. Use pliers to coax any bent shank straight and free. Once the hardware is out, clean sharp burrs and flatten metal to avoid snagging. If the hole widened, reinforce the area with a small square of interfacing or a neat whip stitch. Make sure the patch lies flat. If things go wrong, if fabric frays or tears, apply a dab of fray glue and reinforce with stitching before fitting a replacement snap so the new fastener holds.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.